on YouTube? Thanks for tuning back in. And today's project will be on how to take out those bulbs and replacing them with some LEDs. Now here in a second, as usual, I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to show you how they came packaged and shipped to my house. Then also I'm going to show you what tools are required to tackle this project. And then last but not least, I'm going to show you from start to finish on how to properly install these. Now, as far as every installation has gone before related to lights or something that is ×2 in the vehicle, meaning I got to change out the light bulbs on my headlights. Well, I'm only going to show you one side as I'm installing. I'm not going to show you both sides, all right? I don't want to waste my time nor your time doing more recording than actually showing you and helping you out, assisting you with that project. So with this one, because I am a little confined in my garage, and unfortunately it's raining outside right now that you probably don't care about, but so you can hear me now have to scream or yell. I got the garage closed and it made it kind of tight over here. So I'm pretty much going to show you the passenger side, and you'll see later anyways as I go through the procedures. But yeah, with that being said, that's pretty much it. So let's get started. Okay, so these are the 3 items that we're going to be working with. The first one I'm going to talk about is the brake, tilt, and turn LEDs. They are packaged with 4 of them. Next is going to be the rear turn signals. You get 2 of those. Color is amber. And then your reverse lights that are white, and you get 2 of those. As you can tell, they're still in the original packaging because I wanted to wait until I installed them. Now, once I install them, I'm going to give you a close-up shot so you can see exactly what they look like. Okay, so the 2 types of tools you're going to need is 2 pry tools. One is made out of plastic, so you're not scratching up your plastic. And then this one is for the harnesses tabs because they usually got lock-in devices in there. You see later what I'm talking about. But again, this is all you're going to need to get those LEDs installed in your taillights. So the first ones I started with was the ones on the tailgate. As you can tell, it has the plastic cover right here. And then right here, I don't know if you can make this out or not, but there's a little notch. So I'm going to take my pry tool, I'm going to pry it in there and push down. At the same time, I'm going to take my free hand and then pull down on this plastic cover so it comes out. Next, there's 2 black tabs. You're going to press them in towards each other and then pull out the white housing that holds in the bulbs. Now for this procedure, as you can see, I didn't have to remove the harness, but either way, here are the bulbs. So the first one I'm going to take out is the red brake light. All you have to do is just pull it straight out. Now here is, I'm on this side of the camera just so you can see a better view of it, but this is the one for the brake lights. As you can see, it has a whole bunch of LEDs on it. But again, same procedure. The way you removed it, this is the way you would put it back in. So all we're going to do is we're going to line it up, and then we're going to press down firmly on it until we hear a little click. There you go. Now this one is good. Same procedure for the reverse one. Pull it straight out. And this is what the reverse one looks like. Now, just like we did with the other one, just going to push it straight in. Once it's in there, now we can reassemble everything. Okay, so now we're in the inside of the vehicle. It's almost the same procedure, kind of. First thing we're gonna have to do is remove this plastic cover / vent. So just like the other one, it has a nice little notch here. I'm gonna use my pry tool, put it in, and then just pop it out. Okay, so next we're gonna have to remove the harness. If you look at the harness, it has a red tab. This is a locking tab. So you're gonna have to pull that out, and that's gonna unlock it. And then the tab, as every other harness, you're gonna have to press it and then pull it out. So that's the first step, or the first thing you're gonna have to do before we actually remove the housing. Just pull it towards you. Now I unlocked it. Also at the same time, I'm just gonna use this tool to loosen up the tab. So just push up on it, and then you can pull it out. Place that to the side. Next, here's a white wing nut. You're gonna have to loosen it counterclockwise until you can't go no more. There you go, it's locked in place. Now the tail light is loose, and now we can take the tail light out. Okay, so some of you probably didn't see it too well because my hand was in the way, so I'm going to show you right here. This is the harness with the locking device. This would be all the way down. All you're going to do is you're going to pull straight up on it, and once you pull straight up on it, it's going to unlock it. And then this is the little tab that I was talking about. You're just going to have to press it down, and then once you press it down, you can pull out the harness. After taking out the harness and loosening up the wing nut, to remove the tail light, it's really simple. All you're going to do is you're going to pull it towards you. So now with the tail light removed, you're going to have to remove this white housing because this is where the bulbs are located in. If you look right here, there are 4 black tabs, okay? It's a little tricky to get it out, but with a little patience, you'll get it out. So what I did with the other one is I just pretty much pulled up on one tab, or took 2 tabs out, and then slightly just kind of pulled up on it, and then just worked my way around, and I just kept doing that until the actual housing came out. Okay, so the housing is out. As you can tell, this is the turn signal, and this is the brake light. So the first one I'm going to take out is the brake light. Same like the other one, just put it in until you hear a nice little firm click. Next is going to be the turner signal. The turner signal is a twisty, lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. Take that out, place that to the side. And then here is the, I hope you can kind of make out with it, too much light. Let me turn this one off. Focus on it. There you go. So this is the turn the signal one. All right, let's get back to installing this one. Okay, so the way you're gonna put this in, it's the same procedure the way you took the other one out. You're just gonna tighten it up, so righty-tighty. Now it's firm and locked into place. Now as far as the procedure goes, to put everything back together, it's the same way you took it apart, just in reverse order. Okay, so there we go, start to finish. Just showed you how to properly install LEDs in your vehicle. Down below, I'm gonna have the links specifically for each item, for the tail lights, the turn signals, and the reverse lights. So just in case you would like to purchase them as well, to make it a little easier for you. Now, if you thought this video was helpful, hit that like button. If you got something to say about the video, down below, you can do it in the comment section. And then last but not least, hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, because about every couple weeks I should have a new video posted. Other than that, until next time, take it easy, YouTube.